Hello, I'm in a 2013 Toyota Sienna, and today I'm going to discuss connecting your phone to the Bluetooth. So you obviously want to have the vehicle on and the radio on, and so some models have Bluetooth and some don't. And the way to connect is through the voice controls of the vehicle. So if your vehicle has voice controls, somewhere around in here, you're going to see some different icons that have like it looks like a face talking. You'll push that, and then you'll start the prompts to connect to Bluetooth as well as some other options. Obviously, there's nothing here, so that means this model doesn't have Bluetooth. But should you have a model that looks similar to this but has some options to have the vehicle talk to you and go through voice prompts, you'll basically go through like a setup menu, uh, ask for a setup, pairing options to pair new phones, and then it'll walk you through everything. And then you want to have your phone available as well with Bluetooth turned on your device. But I can't walk you through that in this model because it doesn't exist. So I wanted to make this video. So again, if you don't have any options for the voice commands, you're not going to have it. You might have to, reinstall like an aftermarket setup, which would have Bluetooth, or there's some different like plug-in options you can buy from online or various stores that then you could connect to your plug-in options, like something that might plug into your aux or something that might connect through one of the radio channels. But unfortunately, this model does not have the voice controls. So I hope this was helpful for you today, and I hope you have a wonderful day.